function of the mitral valve is to keep blood from going backwards and to allow blood to perfuse the entire body in the right directions. When the valve is leaking, that means that blood is going backwards, and that will put extra stress on the heart because the heart have to work harder. When patients have mitral regurgitations, they tend to have shortness of breath because the blood is congesting the lung, and also over time, the heart will dilate and weaken because of the extra effort, and heart failure develops. Repair is always preferred over replacement. Repair will last longer and also have better survival long term. A good repair will provide durability that lasts for the rest of the life. And also with replacement, there's always a need for blood thinner or anticoagulations. At Deborah, we provide mid-invasive heart surgery, which allow mitral valve surgery to be performed through a small incisions from the right side of the chest without cutting the rib, without cutting the sternum or the breastbone, with a small incision about 2 inches long, which has been proven that the patient can have a faster recovery with less pain and less risk of infection and less complications. After a good surgical repair, the patient's symptoms will definitely improve, but more importantly, it will prevent heart failure from occurring because you release the stress on the heart, so the heart don't have to put in extra effort to provide enough blood to perfuse the body.